Hi, my name is Corey Brown, and this is my Module 1 personal introductory video for EDL 853 Special Education for School Leaders for spring of 2019. Just to introduce me and a little bit about myself and my family, this right here is Kale. He is my son, and he is 12 years old. He'll be 13 this May. Then my husband, Dave. He is a rancher. My daughter, Laren, she is 9 years old, so she is a third grader. And then there is me. A little bit about myself and my family. I live and work in Victoria, Kansas. And Victoria is right off of I-70, as you can see here, kind of by Hays, Kansas. If you've ever driven I-70 and seen the big cathedral towers just south of the highway there, that is Victoria. I ranch with my family. We own and operate Brown Limousin Cattle Company here in Victoria. I received my undergraduate degree at Fort Hays State University in English many years ago. I then got my master's at Fort Hays State University in school counseling about 10 or 11 years ago. Right now I'm working on my administration, my building principal endorsement. I'm currently the guidance counselor for Victoria Junior Senior High School. This is my 24th year in education and my 11th year as a school counselor. I am also the yearbook instructor. I serve on the site council and multiple other programs such as the District Leadership Committee, the KISA Committee, Interview Committee, the new Teacher Mentor Program. For the critical reflection portion of this, the question was how my school facilitates the use of appropriate content-based learning materials and learning strategies for students with special needs. Personnel intervention is what we currently try to do. We have one-to-one assistance with either a paraprofessional or with a special needs teacher in the resource room. We also implement behavior strategies as needed, and that takes place within the resource room, or the students come down to me, the counselor, and we visit in my office. We also are very fortunate within our district. We have wonderful access to technology. Our students are one-to-one with iPads, so each student has their own iPad, and we are able to put different technology-based apps on there that assist them as needed. Also materials, we have content-based materials, and we have instructors who modify materials according to the student needs. A critique of my own personal use or non-use of appropriate content-based learning materials and learning strategies for students with special needs. I personally assist teachers in modifying their lessons and their materials to meet each student's needs, and I also aid teachers in dealing with student behaviors. Some of the behavior strategies that we use, first of all, I build personal relationships with each of my students in order to better understand their behaviors and any outbursts. Behavior modification strategies that we use, we concentrate on impulse control, some understanding the social molding that typically takes place a lot in junior high, and I try to help them increase their focusing techniques. The plan that I propose will help me improve or enhance my school's current practices would be personnel. We are desperately in need of more personnel. We are very short-staffed. Having a behaviorist on staff would be a huge, huge help to us. More special education teachers and having more paraprofessionals to help and assist the students within the classroom would be a game changer for our district. Also training our new teachers and old teachers in how to better modify the lessons to meet the needs of their students would be very, very helpful as well. Funding obviously will have a huge impact on this plan. We need staff, and this plan relies on funding in order to get that staff. So that's going to make up the majority of our need. We are currently so short-staffed that our teachers can't appropriately handle the diversity of the education needs and the behavioral needs within the classroom. So they're forced to either concentrate on the one student who's having issues and having problems and ignore the rest of the students, or vice versa. So thank you very much. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to getting to know the rest of you in this class this semester.